Hi, I'm Peter Llewellyn with CreativeOnlineSchool.com. In this session, I will be explaining how to replace sunglasses reflection using Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop if you haven't already. Now, locate the image you'd like to alter. You will also need a reflection asset. I'm using a photo of mountains, but you can use whatever you like. Step 2. Start by adjusting the layer hierarchy by making sure the image you are using to replace the reflection is below your original image. Once that is done, you may begin by selecting your magnetic lasso tool and outlining the border of the sunglass lens. Step 3. Right-click the area within your selection area and click Layer via Cut. This will create a separate layer of the sunglass lens. Delete the new layer by selecting it in the layer hierarchy and pressing your Delete key. After this, select your replacement image and drag it behind the empty area of the sunglasses. Step 4. Now we will do the same thing, but for the other lens. However, this time we will use a paintbrush selection tool. Select the tool and begin by clicking on areas you want selected. Finally, repeat step 3. Step 5. Compress the layers by right-clicking a layer and selecting Flatten Image. Once this is done, you can adjust the border of your sunglasses. Step 6. To fix your borders, select the Band-Aid tool and draw over the areas of overlap. After you've done this, select the Blur tool and carefully draw over the borders. Step 7. Now you can export your image however you please.